Okay, let's continue the topic. And we were discussing the importance of history and why we study history. Basically, we study history because history is an academic subject, and we get the evolution of ideas. We get everything from history. We can get historical evidences from books, articles, periodicals, newspapers, opinions. The real accomplishment of historian is basically to present the historical facts in a coherent way. Like it is the moral duty of a historian that he or she should be unbiased. They should record the events as they are, and they can judge the events after analyzing them at the end of the topic. But it is very ethical for a historian to be unbiased regarding certain aspects of the history, as we have seen that there are certain aspects regarding the Islamic history which cannot be written which can be written as biased statements given by the foreign authors. And when we study history, it is about memorization of important events and their dates. The factual information is a part of historical approach, and the real significance in understanding the evolution of ideas and understanding and the change in the ideas. Like when we start studying Pakistan studies, we first study about the ideology of Pakistan and basically the idea behind the creation of Pakistan. And you can also see that a source of certain statements, sometimes one encounter conflicting facts, there are different sources, and a historian needs to make a choice about the credible resources, the credible facts. So that is the basically very moral obligation of the historians, that if they are covering some aspects, they are supposed to cover them, cover the facts which are more credible, and they are not supposed to give their opinion. The second topic which we are going to cover is that why history is very much important. When we study history, we understand that how and why we respond to a particular problem. We can compare the previous problem to the current problem. We can compare about the problem in the past, and we can understand the results of the past response. एंड ये जो बेटा तारीख जो है ना, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एक सब्जेक्ट है, और इसमें हम यही करते हैं कि हम जो है वो जो भी हमारी गुजरा हुआ जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं, सपोज इफ़ यू आर स्टडिंग अबाउट अ वॉर, तो हमने उसको पढ़ना है और उसको जो है वो जज करना है या उसके बारे में अपना एनालिसिस जो है वो देना है. और देयर इज़ ऑल्सो अ कंपैरिजन विच कैन बी ड्रॉन regarding the war from a European country or the war from the Asian country, and we should take all the credible facts, जो भी हमारे पास facts on ground है, यानी हम भी किसी एक चीज़ जो है उसको जो है वो compare as such नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है.